Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy CapCut Pro. In order to do so, first off, here we are in CapCut, and I have a project open right now. This is one place that you can purchase CapCut Pro, and in order to do so, you can go up to the top right hand corner here on desktop, and you will see where it says Join Pro. We can go ahead and click on that, and then from here you're going to see your options, which is to either pay for the monthly subscription or to pay for an entire year. Once you have selected that, then you can go ahead and just click purchase and go through the steps in order to purchase it. Doing some research, I found that at the moment there is no way to buy CapCut Pro as a one-time purchase. It is only based on a subscription. So just looking here at we did a search here, and it says that at the moment CapCut Pro does not offer a one-time purchase option. This is as of September 7th. So keep that in mind if you are interested in purchasing CapCut. At the moment, you are relegated to a subscription, and right now we have the monthly or the 1-year option. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like and subscribe for more helpful tips.